What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to invite friends in Melon Playground. So, you might be wondering, can you actually invite friends here or just basically play with friends within Melon Playground? So, the thing with Melon Playground here is you can't play with your friends as of this moment because the game is actually intended as a single player as of this moment when the game was released. But currently, the game is quite popular here, so hopefully, sometime in the future, or in this case, updates in the future, will also include a multiplayer option for us. But right now, with the current state of the game, I'll be honest with you, it's not yet possible for us to play with our friends within the actual game. But yeah, so that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.